Children, welcome to Mrs. Ramirez language class. Today we continue talking about countable and uncountable noun. As I already explained, the concept of definition of countable and uncountable noun. I'm not going to stop in those definitions because you already know. But you already know that noun, we classify noun as regular and irregular as well. Regular are example books, pencils, table. Those are regular. Irregular, lives, person, people, children. Those are irregular. As you know, that countable nouns are those that we can count. Okay, and countable nouns they have singular and plural form. But some of them, some countable nouns, have only plural form. Example, glasses, pen, scissors, and clothes. This countable noun, we just have plural form. Okay, so uncountable noun. You know that uncountable nouns are those that we cannot count with numbers or quantities. So they have only one form, okay? Only one form, and they often describe liquid, crops, material, water, right? Knowledge, ideas, feelings like love, honesty, hate. Okay, those are uncountable now. Uncountable means that we cannot count them. Okay. So remember that with uncountable noun, we don't use the article a and an. Remember that a and an are just for countable noun. Another characteristic of uncountable noun that we use the verb in singular form. Remember that. Okay, for uncountable noun, we use the singular form of the verb. I have an example on the board, a sentence. Okay, solar energy is renewable. Can you see? Okay, the verb is in singular form, is, because solar energy is an uncountable noun. Okay, some uncountable noun, we can use them as countable noun, but okay, when we focus on time of them. For example, silk is made by moth. Okay, that is uncountable, silk. But when we say the finest silk comes from Japan, okay, that is a countable noun. Okay, remember that. Here we have the natural resource vocabulary that this you already know, and you have looked at the meaning for them, okay? And here, this is another topic I want to discuss with you. It's about reading, okay? In reading, there is a story, look, okay? The storyteller is the story we are going to analyze today. In this story, okay, we are going to determine the theme of the story. And what you maybe ask yourself, what is theme, Mrs. Ramirez? The theme is in a story is the central idea. Okay, a story can have one or more themes. But remember that theme is the central idea of the story, the main idea of the story, which are conveyed through detail in the text. If we can determine the theme, we can give an accurate summary or analyze of the story is talking about. If we can determine, okay, the theme of the story, we can summarize or analyze with an accurate meaning of what is the story about. So in the storyteller, the storyteller, I want you to look at the picture, okay? The main character is Michael and Victor. Look at the picture. What is the difference? Michael live in the present day, and Victor live in the past. Okay. Look at this page. Okay. Look at this page, and in this page we have some question related to the story, the storyteller. You are going to listen the story in the track. Look, this is the track you are going to listen in the platform, Compass platform, and then you are going to answer this question from 1 until 7. You are going to answer after you listen the story. You are going to answer in the notebook, in language notebook, this question, and then you answer this, but this is already done, okay? And remember that, okay, the theme on the storyteller is the contrast between the artificiality of and sterility of the modern life in which Michael lived, and the contrast between the relationship between human and nature in the Aboriginal culture of Australia. Okay, this is the most important I can tell you about this topic. Remember, okay, what I told you about the theme of the story. We have to find out the theme in the story. If we know the theme of the story, we perfectly and easily we will make a summary or analyze the story and give an accurate summary, okay? And we will know what the story is about. And how do we know what is the theme? Okay, we have to read the story and find the detail that tell us what is the theme. Okay, thank you very much for paying attention. Goodbye.